Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Shikorinatat by Hobby. Today I am going to be showing you guys how I make my turmeric mask. It's super easy and it's super cheap to make, so keep watching. So here are the ingredients that you're going to be needing to make this mask. You're going to need plain yogurt, a half of a lemon, turmeric powder, honey, and bee sand flour. Bee sand flour, you guys can get that from like an international store, like a Hindu store. So to measure, I will be using a teaspoon, and I don't use a tablespoon because I don't want to put too much ingredients, so I just stick to a teaspoon. Okay, so first you're going to put the turmeric inside of any type of cup that you guys want to use. I'm just going to be using this right here. If you guys already know, turmeric is basically the cousin of a ginger root. So it has a lot of antioxidants. It's really good for your skin. It's anti-inflammatory, so it's great for pimples, to get rid of them. I use it all the time. I love it. Okay, so the second thing you guys are going to be using is the bee sand flour. Like I said before, you guys can find the bee sand flour at like an international store, like an Indian store, or like a Middle Eastern store. Okay, so I actually used a tablespoon when it came to my yogurt. Yogurt, as you guys know, is really good for your skin as well. It gives you back the moisture that you need in your skin. Okay, now I will be using honey. If you guys don't know, honey is anti-inflammatory, antifungal. It has a lot of good benefits. And then I am going to be using the lemon, and lemon is actually really good for drying. So lemon is actually really good. It has a lot of benefits, but one of the good things about it for this mask is if you have oily skin, it helps with like not producing a lot of oil in your skin. Okay, when you got all the ingredients in the cup, just start mixing it. You don't want it to be watery. You want it to have like a thick consistency. So to apply it on your face, you want it to be a little thick. So make sure that it's not oily, guys. Okay, so I'm going to be applying the turmeric mask with a makeup brush. You guys can use your fingertips if you want. I would advise you guys, if you do use your fingertips, wear gloves or something because it can stain, so be cautious on that. So yeah, I use the turmeric mask probably 3 to 4 times a week, and I'm telling you, it has so many benefits to it for your skin. It definitely is like a secret to why my skin looks so good. I love using it. It's anti-inflammatory, so people who are like battling acne, who are always getting like pimples or something, this really helps because it's anti-inflammatory. And all the products that I just told you guys about, the bee sand flour, the turmeric powder, like they have so much antioxidants, and bee sand flour actually has B6 and vitamin C, so it's really good for your skin as well. Yeah, so if you guys are battling dark circles, and if you guys are dealing with pigmentation in your skin, this is the mask for you. So okay, so after 20 minutes of having it on, I'm going to wash my face. Alright, so I'm back from washing my face. I am going to show you guys my skincare routine at night. So I use Clinique Step 2 to tone my skin. I also use witch hazel as well. So if you guys don't have Clinique, you guys are more than welcome to use witch hazel. So I'm going to put this on a cotton pad, and I'm just going to rub this around my face, all over my face. So I use this. It's really good for you because it balances your pH levels. It shrinks your pores. It cleans out the dirt and the oils that are in your skin. So it's a really good step to actually do to your face. Like, I don't know why people forget to do it, but it's really important to do because it really does show a drastic change in your skin if you do tone your skin. So I'm going to be using this eye gel from Yes to Cucumber. I got this from Target. I use this in the morning and also at night. It is extremely important to make sure that our under eye is fully moisturized because we sometimes forget about it, and that is like the first sign of aging. That's where it starts. So you gotta make sure that you moisturize your under eye. Okay, so now I am going to be applying serum on my face. The serum that I'm using is actually Claude from, I actually got it from Sephora. So yeah, I actually use this on my face in the morning and at night. And serums are really important because they give you back the nutrients in your skin that we don't get from certain moisturizers. So they're really important to put on your skin. It helps fight aging. It places back the antioxidants and vitamins that our skin needs. So it's really important. Okay, for my oil, I am going to be using Farsali Rose Gold Elixir. I use this only at night just because I don't want to have my skin being super oily during the day. So I just apply this at night. And I love using this product. It has a lot of really nice oils to it. And it just moisturizes my skin and it just gives my skin a nice glow. And it brings back the nutrients in my skin that I need. So I love using this product. But you guys don't have to use this product. You guys can use coconut oil as well as an alternative, and also vitamin E, because they have a lot of good qualities as well. So I use that also when I don't feel like using this. For my last step, I am going to be using the Claude Sherbet Moisturizing Cream. It is really important to lock everything in with a moisturizing cream. Moisturizing your skin is like extremely important, because if your skin is dry, it's more prone to being more damaged. So the more moisture you have in your skin, it's the best. I have normal to dry skin, so I try to make sure that my skin is really moisturized all the time. So that's why I go really hard with that. But yeah, so this is my skincare routine, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Bye.